Hello friends, welcome to my channel The Recipe Story. Today I have very interesting coffee recipe to share with you. I know you must be thinking that it's a milk based coffee, but you won't believe it's a black coffee and tastes heavenly like a creamy coffee. So let's see how we can make this Italian shakerato coffee at home without any coffee maker. Here we are making 2 servings of coffee. For 2 servings, I will boil 2 cups of water. To this, I am adding 2 tablespoons of coffee and we'll make a very strong black coffee. Let it boil. Now it has boiled completely. Now we'll cool it. We'll keep it in freezer to cool down. Till then we can prepare our glasses. I'm adding few ice cubes to both the glasses. Then in a mixer, I'll add some crushed ice. I'm adding black coffee to it. Now let's blend it. Now I'll add around 2 tablespoons of condensed milk to this coffee. Blend it one more time. See, it has turned out very creamy. Now we'll simply put this into the glasses and serve. Friends, thanks for watching my video, and if you like the video, do hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.